Good morning. If you only got 5 minutes to jumpstart your day, what breathing exercise pranayamas would you choose for that? Today, we get to fire your morning with a quick, energizing breath work. The first one we'll get into is Tummo Breathing to get your solar plexus, to get your inner fire going. Then we bring this energy, fire, up towards your heart chakra through Bhastrika Pranayama. Eventually, we ground you with 3 chants of Om. Om is an instrument to bring this energy up from the lower chakras all the way towards the third eye. And we'll use a few kumbhakas, breath holds, to really get this energy pressured, get this energy going up towards the higher chakras. So without any further ado, let's go on to the first one, Tummo Breathing. All right, coming into cross-legged, keeping your spine straight, chin 5 degrees up. We start with Tummo Breathing. Inhale through the nose, exhale through pursed lips. Inhale fully, exhale. Inhale fully, hold the breath in, root chakra. Beautiful. Exhale fully, hold the breath out 15 seconds, pull the perineum muscles up, diaphragm up, belly in. Rejuvenating breath in, and sit in meditation and just visualize a fire burning in your solar plexus and the energy moving up. Slowly start to open your eyes. Amazing job, my friends. Now we move this energy up towards the heart chakra through Bhastrika Pranayama. So see if you can bring awareness to your heart space. Inhale fully, exhale fully. Both inhales and exhales active processes. Inhale, exhale fully, hold the breath out 15 seconds. Rejuvenating breath in and holding the breath, engage the root chakra. Pull the belly in. Amazing. Allow the breath to come out in normally. All right, let's get ready for the 3 chants of Om. Remember, the intention of the sound is to bring the energy from lower chakras all the way towards the higher chakras. From the root chakra, the sound is ah, all the way to solar plexus. Then we switch the sound to ooh. Seal the lips just a little more. Bring the sound to throat chakra. And then we seal the lips fully, create the sound and we bring our attention, our awareness here in your third eye area. So without any further ado, let's take a long deep breath in. Sit in meditation 30 seconds. Create a beautiful intention for your day. Amazing, my friends. Slowly start to open your eyes. Now you're ready to take those challenges of the day. Consider those challenges as opportunities where you can bring more value. If you enjoyed this video, consider sending this video to a family or a friend who can also get the benefits of yoga, meditation, and breath work in their life. We have prepared a powerful guided meditation for letting go and surrender to support your journey of conscious decision making. Along with it, we have included a beautifully designed decision making journal to help you track your weekly challenges. You can download them by using the link in the description below. If today's session was helpful for you, you can enroll in our complete breathwork course for conscious decision making. This step-by-step program is designed to help you build confidence and align your choices with who you truly are. You can join us through our Holistic Awakening membership, which gives you access not only to this course, but also to all our breathwork and meditation programs. Plus, you can download the School of Breath app to access all our courses, timed guided breathwork sessions, guided meditations, and calming sleep music all in one place. Don't delay your transformation. Click the link in the description to begin your path to empowered and conscious decision making. Until next time, my friends, my name is Abi Dugal. Thank you for tuning in the School of Breath. Namaste, peace, and love.